In this video, you will learn about Charlemagne, who became an emperor, united lots of Europe, revived learning, spread Christianity, and created a strong government.
In the year 799, Pope Leo III requested Charlemagne for help against the rebel nobles after they had become allies, and Pope Leo made Charlemagne emperor. This angered the Roman emperor.
Charlemagne wanted his empire to be entirely Christian. He sent missionaries to conquered lands. He also made rules and sent nobles to check on the rules. They were called Mici Dominici.
Charlemagne felt the need to set up schools to bring back Latin. And he also did this because he knew that people could keep square and accurate records.
Charlemagne set up a strong and efficient government. Charlemagne left behind this government and spread Christianity to Northern Europe.
In this video, you learned that Charlemagne became emperor, united lots of Europe, revived learning, and left behind a strong government.